Hello and welcome to this week's Just a Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing. And this week we've been talking a little bit about resources. And what I mean for resources is like, where do I donate my things? We've done all this decluttering and now what do I do? So just a couple of really quick tips for resources. Obviously, I'm in the Minnesota Twin Cities area. You might be somewhere else. So again, you might have to do a little bit of research for your area, but just kind of talking in general, here's what we like to do. So for donations, I always ask the client, is there a charity or something local that you love? If that's the case, that's where we're stopping. That's where we're stopping with your donations, and that's who we're supporting. That can feel really good. The second piece is maybe we just need efficiency. We have something here, Minnesota, called Savers, and they support the Department of Veterans Affairs, and they'll take almost anything. I can fill up my car, I can fill up my truck, I can drop it off. It's super convenient. It's supporting a good cause, and they take almost everything. You can also look at local thrift stores. Sometimes they're going to be a little bit more picky. They're going to want things that maybe are unique, or maybe they're more recent, easier for them to sell. So you want to call ahead of time. For things like crafts and, school supplies, your schools, preschools would love those donations. So make a quick call to the office and say, hey, I'm going to drop off some art supplies. They generally love that. Secondly, look into your local recycling center. We drop off recycling every single week for clients at a local recycling center, and it's free. And it just gets all of those Amazon boxes out of the house. Get rid of all that extra cardboard. It can make a huge, huge difference in your living space. So see if you have a local recycling center and make that your next stop. And then third, I want you to check out to see if you have a local hauler. We have an amazing local hauler that we use. It's called Hauling It Away. They're based in Hudson, Wisconsin, but they service the Twin Cities area. They have a consignment shop. They will drop off donations, large donations. They will also take away junk or things for trash. It is huge for our clients because you can create one pickup, get everything out of the house that's needed, and it can be either sold if needed, donated, or if it needs to go to the landfill. Try to make those connections. Find that local hauler that can offer you those items, and you're going to feel so great about getting rid of your stuff. So those are just a few resources to think about this week. That is my tip. Let's brainstorm. Let's think about it. Let me know if you have questions in the comments, and I will see you next week for another tip.